Hi guys, I would like to show you something very interesting with the new generation of AVstudio. So here we have extension for VS Code. Inside of this extension, as you already saw, you have available a structure. So what I would like to try, AI to generate generic page with a few elements. So I prepared the prompt, I'm gonna execute this, and let's see what is going on. So we didn't even teach the AI, we didn't provide any skills yet, but inside of our extension we already have all instructions. So, and it's also walking through your project and looking for approach what you already implemented and trying to repeat the same. So this is very interesting because any web coders who really like to do everything by prompts nowadays and become more efficient, I would say, so they can use this approach as well. So what is the most common question and difference between just general coding of HTML5 UI and using AVstudio extension? So AVstudio extension itself offering all instruction necessary to work with the control systems. So, and more important, AVstudio, it's compiler, which compile very little code with a good performance. So it can work on any, even all touch panels. So, and get really cool examples. So as you can see in this chat, so it's analyzed the structure, it's doing some stuff, and let's see what's going on, because yeah, so let's allow to do. Okay, so it's found the structure very good, and seems like on the left side I already see it's created InfoComm page. Let's just let it complete, and I assume it's supposed to be done. Yeah, we also have to understand, so we use the mobile connection here for the AI, so it also might take some delays, but I'm really curious about the result. Very interesting. So okay, let's get somewhere. It's trying to do something very interesting. Okay, let's go. Allow. I'm just gonna allow everything because it's really interesting experiment. So I don't know why it's even asked the Python. Probably it's doing maybe a test. Yeah, we have to read more carefully to see what's going on behind, but whatever. The Python version, oh, okay, it's still doing something. Why Python? I'm surprised. Okay, it's reading project config. Maybe Python is easy to understand. For some reason, AI, without any skills, like I said, so it's working. Evaluating. Okay, and looks like done. Okay, let's see. It will be something interesting. Okay, I'm gonna open our page and bam! Wow, it is already here. So this is, I don't know, but for me it's really impressed. So let's also see what's going on inside. So I'm gonna open just in text editor and see. Yeah, so I see it's generated code, so really good. So it understands the structure. I'm really impressed. So let's do something else. So yeah, so you see you can drag and drop. So now even after it's generated by AI, so what you can do, you continue to work and modify your project. So now I would like to show you how to work with the version control. So I'm gonna make a commit. Yeah, so I just created save all changes. Okay, so we have a first commit, and let's imagine we're gonna delete this button. Maybe we can even move some button there, and now we can do save. and let's create another commit again, or even maybe better, yeah, let's do it. Yes, so now we have a 2 commits. So what we can do right now, we can even close this page. We can go ahead and open and see side by side what is actually changed. So now you can see what it used to be and what it's become. I don't know, what do you think about this? Let me know if it's a useful feature or you don't need this feature. If you don't need, maybe it makes sense to ask VS Code to remove source control at all. Yeah, thank you so much. I would like to hear your question. What else you expecting from our tool? And don't forget, go to avstudio.app website. I would like to remind you as well that we have an onboarding session totally free. You're welcome. Thank you.